students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, number 1, problem set number 6. Which lesson number 2, number work, problem set number 6. Last lecture we studied the introduction of 7-digit numbers and how to write the place name and the place value of the digit. Okay. This lesson we are going to learn the bigger and the smaller number. Okay. क्या? How do we determine the smaller and the bigger number? Okay. You have studied. You have learned how to do that with the few 5-digit number in the last year. Okay. Last year you have studied how to do that 5-digit numbers. Okay. The number with the bigger 10-digit number is the bigger number. अभी समझो 10-digit numbers है, bigger 10,000 digit number. इसमें आपने लास्ट ईयर पढ़ा था 5-digit numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 5-digit numbers. उससे पहले आपने 4-digit number पढ़ा था. ओके. उसमें आपने क्या देखा था कि जो समझो 4-digit numbers है, तो उसमें जो 4-digit number है वो which is the bigger number. The number with more digit is the bigger number. है ना. लास्ट ईयर आपने ये पढ़ा है कि जिस नंबर के डिजिट ज़्यादा होते हैं वो नंबर बिग होता है ना. फॉर एग्जांपल देखो यहाँ पे 5,705 एंड सेकेंड नंबर इज 15,705. फर्स्ट टेल मी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सिंबल्स बिफोर आई स्टार्ट. ओके, बिफोर आई स्टार्ट टेल मी व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सिंबल्स. That means bigger than and smaller or greater than and smaller than. Okay. So we have to use the proper symbol of greater than and smaller than in the box. Box are given here. तो आपको इसमें से जो भी प्रॉपर सिंबल है वो यहाँ पे क्या करना है, मेंशन करना है. ओके. तो how do you determine which is the smaller number and which is the bigger number? First of all, you have to compare these numbers. What is the numbers? First, count the digit in that numbers. For example, the number with the more digit is the bigger number. Okay. First example, number 1. यहाँ पे देखो 1, 2, 3, 4 digits है और ये नंबर में 1, 2, 3, 4 5 digits है. So which is the bigger number? That is 15,705. Why? Because this number with the more digit. इसमें ज़्यादा digits है. तो कौन सा सिंबल डालेंगे? दिस वन. That means 15,705 is greater than the number 5,705. ये जो ओपन साइड है वो बड़े नंबर की तरफ होना चाहिए. That is the sign. ओके. फर्स्ट आपको जो भी आप नंबर दिखाई देगा, आपका क्वेश्चन रहेगा कि इसमें डिटरमिन करो कि व्हाट इज द स्मॉलर एंड बिगर नंबर. तो फर्स्ट आपको क्या करना है, वो नंबर में डिजिट्स काउंट करना है. इफ द डिजिट्स मोर डिजिट है, जिस नंबर में ज़्यादा डिजिट है, द नंबर विथ मोर डिजिट इज द बिगर नंबर. है ना. ओके. यस. अभी देखो सेकेंड नंबर देखो. नेक्स्ट सेकेंड नंबर 2 इज लाइक दिस. है ना. दूसरा भी वही वैसा ही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1, 2, 3, 4 5 फर्स्ट डिजिट काउंट करने का. एंड हियर 1, 2, 3, 4 5 6 डिजिट. So here are 5 digit and here 6 digit. So which is the greater number? 6 is the bigger number. That means this number is a bigger number. Understand? Now, second example क्या करना है आपको. आपने अभी फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये देखो दिस एग्जाम्पल. लिखिए दिस एग्जाम्पल में आपको क्या दिख रहा है, that digits are same equal. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7 digits. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4 5 6 7. अब 7 digits are there in both the sides. Then you have to compare the first number. In which place? You need 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So आपको कौन सा नंबर ये करने का है, कंपेयर करने का है? 10,000. Which number? 10,000. If they are first आपको ये देखो ये क्या है, here is 3 and here is 2. हाँ, आप उसको क्या करो, कुछ तो इसे अंडरलाइन करो इस नंबर को. Which number you are going to compare? So this number is, here is 3 and here is 2. So which is the bigger number, 3 or 2? It is 3. That means this is the bigger number. So put the sign like this. That means 34,20,203 is the bigger number than the 24,41,312. Okay? Understand? फर्स्ट आपको क्या करना है, डिजिट्स काउंट करना है फर्स्ट स्टेप. सेकेंड स्टेप में आपको फर्स्ट ये वाला फर्स्ट डिजिट देखना है, हाँ, उसमें कंपेयर करना है. कंपेयर दिस फर्स्ट, देन इफ थर्ड एग्जांपल, लुक एट द थर्ड एग्जांपल. लुक हियर आल्सो digits, first of all you count the digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits are here, and here also 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digits. Then next step क्या है, आपको first 10 lakh place, अभी 10 lakh वाला place पे 3 है, here 10 lakh place पे 3 है. That means the digits are same. So what you can do, if the 10 lakh digits are same, if 10 lakh digits are same, then we will look at the digit in the lakh place. अभी 10 lakh place के digit same है, ओके. तो आपको कौन सा नंबर कंपेयर करना है, lakh place. यहाँ पे lakh place पे क्या है, 5 और यहाँ पे क्या है, 4. ओके, lakh place पे कौन सा नंबर है, here is 5, here is 4. So which is the bigger number, that is 5 or 4. So 5 is big, that means this number is big. Which number is big? 35,33,302 is the bigger number than the 34,32,302. Understand? Next number देखो, look here. Next example is there. First you have to count the digits. Step by step जाने का आपको. First you have to count the digits. If the number of digits are more, the number which number has more digit, that number is big. Then you have to compare the first number. If it is on a 10 lakh place or lakh place or any place. Okay. Then if the digits are same. Fourth example is there. Look here. The digits are same here. Here are 6 digit number and this also 6 digit number. Now first, what do you see? You need 10 lakh, 10 lakh. You need 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. So lakh place में देखो यहाँ पे 4 है, here also 4 है ना. If the lakh digit is the same, if same है, lakh place वाला 4 is the same, then we will look at the 10,000 place. Look here, 10,000 place also same. These two numbers are same. Okay. Now you have to compare next number. Then we will look at the if those are also equal. If those numbers are also equal, then what you do? We look at the 1000 place. अभी 1000 place पे क्या देखो, यहाँ पे क्या है, 2 है और यहाँ पे है 0, है ना. Yes, lakh place digit is the same. Then 10,000 place also is the same, is the equal numbers. Then we will have to compare the 100,000 place number. Here is 2 and here is 0. So which is the great number, bigger number, 0 or 2? 2 is the bigger number. That means this number is a great number, bigger number. Understand? Now third example देखो. Look here, a 10 lakh number is equal. Digits are equal. All digits are equal here. 10 lakh digit is equal, the same number. Then lakh place number is also same. Okay. 10,000 place also same. Now which number you are going to compare? That is 1000 place. Look here, 1000 place पे 0 है and here 1000 place 8. So which number is bigger, 0 or 8? That is 8. So you take the sign like this. That means it is bigger. That means this number is big. 35,98,172 number is a bigger number. Okay. Next number. Look here. 10 lakh place is equal. Digits are equal. Same digits है. Then this number is also same. 10 lakh place. Lakh place also number is same. then 10,000 place also same, 1000 place also same. Then which number you are going to compare? It is 100 place. देखो 100 place में here is 9 और यहाँ पे क्या है 8. Yes. So you have to compare number between these two, 9 and 8. Which is the bigger number? 9. So put the sign like this. That means 99,99,900 is a bigger number than the 99,99,850. Understand? Next example. Here, look here. Digits are same here also. Digits same है. Then compare. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are same equal. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers are same. Okay. Then which number you are going to compare? 10 place. This one. Here is 0 on 10 place and here is 1. So which is big number? What is greater? Bigger number. That means this number is a big number. Greater. Understand? And last example. This one is the last example. Here देखो first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are equal. The same number. Here also. बस unit place पे जो numbers है, here is 2 and here is 1. So which is the greater number? That is 2. That means this number is greater. Understand? Understand or not? You have to tick the first which numbers you are going to compare. Understand? First क्या है? आपको you have to compare. You have to count the digits in the number. The number with the greater digit, bigger, more digits is a bigger number. Then if the digits are same, अगर digits same है, here also here the digits same है, तो क्या करने का है आपको? For example, this one digits are same, then you have to compare the with 10 lakh place. If इसमें compare करना है. Next example, if the 10 lakh place is say equal number, then you have to compare the next lakh place वाला number को compare करो. If these first two numbers are equal, same, then 1000 place वाला number compare करो. Understand? Like this, you can do your problem set number 6. Okay. Now, next example. For example, you have to write the proper signs of this symbol in the box. Next, word problems are given here. Word problems are given आपको यहाँ पे. Which are the words problem? Problem set number 6. There are some problems. Solve the problems given below. आपको क्या करना है? Problems के नीचे उसको solve करना है. First one, basically solve the problems. Okay. Given below. First one is स्वयं विधा saving groups made 3,45,000 papad, while the Swabhimani groups made 2,95,000 Okay. Then which group made more papad? Which group made more papad? तो कौन से ग्रुप ने ज्यादा पापड़ बनाए? फर्स्ट नंबर क्या है आपको? 3,45,000 पापड़ इन्होंने बना है. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज and the Swabhimani groups made 2,95,000 papad. So which group made more papad? You have to compare these numbers. First count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are here. Here also 6 digits. So compare the lakh plus this number. Lakh plus 3 है. यहाँ पे lakh plus पे 2 है. Which is the bigger number? That is 3. It is bigger number. That means this number is bigger. So this number मतलब 3,45,000 पापड़ है, ये big number है. So your question is which group made more papads? That means कौन से ग्रुप ने 3,45,000 कौन से ग्रुप ने बनाया है? संविधा सेविंग ग्रुप ने 3,45,000 पापड़ बनाए हैं. That means the answer is the स्वयंविधा सेविंग groups made more papad. Okay, understand? तो ये जो वर्ड्स प्रॉब्लम आपको दिया है प्रॉब्लम सेट नंबर 6 में, आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है? लाइक दिस यू हैव टू कंपेयर दिस टू नंबर्स एंड डू योर and solve the problems. Okay. Second example is also given. Third, 4 examples are given here. You have to compare it and solve this in your notebook. This is I will give you the homework. Okay. And you have to solve this problem set number 6 and send me on my number. Okay. Do it seriously and send me. Understand? Otherwise, when our school will started, I will punish you. I will check your books that time. Okay. So regularly you have to study. You have to solve the problem sets. Understand? Okay.